Hey guys, I have a Haswing 12 volt 55 thrust trolling motor here. It's supposed to be the one with spot lock, and I'm going to do an unboxing on it. See what we got. Hopefully we got the right one. Sorry about the garage. Just got back from a hog hunt and it's a mess. Just ordered the mounting plate and like I said, the spot lock motor. Let's see how it's packaged. Let's see if I got the right stuff. So this is what the packaging looks like. See what you guys think about it. Not horrible. Looks to be in good shape. Well, there goes a tree. I don't know if you heard that or not. Looks like it's across the pond. Whew, got a lot of rain. That pond is muddy. Yeah, I don't know which one that was, but doesn't look like anything landed on anything. All right, let's get back to the Haswing. Got to stop by and see Farrah. How you doing, Farrah? Get the key fob first. Hopefully it's got the anchor on it for spot lock. And it does. Right there, it's the anchor. So that shows you it is the one with spot lock, or should be. Came with a nice lanyard and a charging cable. Charging cable. I think this D-ring is for the mounting plate to lock it on place. Again, the charging cable. So that's nice. I think at some point Haswing is going to accidentally send the foot control with it to somebody. Will probably accidentally get one that they didn't order. Unfortunately, not me. The mounting plate that I ordered with it. It's kind of heavy, feels nice. There's all the stuff, all the goods. our nut and bolt kit, our wrench. Alright. Package good. So you've got your plug here. On the end of the plug, you have your battery terminal connections. Plug only fits one way, so that's nice. And that's what the top looks like. Pretty nice, okay. Sturdy, feels made really well. I'm not going to take it out of the styrofoam. Obviously I will when I put it on the boat. Got a nice handle here. Balanced really well from that handle right there. And then we have obviously your depth lock on here. Sorry about the video being kind of janked up, but I'm trying to do this with one hand. There we go. This is really nice. It's got a little lip on it where it locks in place. That's really nice. I like that. It really feels made well. It really does. It's heavy. I'll tell you that much. God, that sucker's heavy. Alright, that's the unboxing of it. Looks like I got a little work to do. I'll do another video when I'm mounting it on the boat for sure. Cable's thick. I'm an electrician by trade, and I'm telling you what, that cable right there and these connections right here on it are really made well. That's nice. That's a nice cable and nice connections. That should hold up. This is made better than my other trolling motor for sure. It's just, you can tell, plastic is not heavy. This sucker is heavy. All right. I'll do another video when I'm out.